some shit you hear in stories. If only these four walls could talk. More than just a little tipsy. He got me wide, so I won't talk.
Happy New Year, everyone. 2025 is here. Back today with a new video for you guys. We're going to be going over this wig, but I first want to say thank you so much for being here with me. Precious Squad, every single one of you. Like, I appreciate you so much. Year after year support, the love. You watched me grow so much throughout the years. My main goal for this channel has always been to help you guys as much as possible and also just do what I enjoy to do. And you guys have allowed me that. For this year, my main goal for this channel is to get you guys more engaged, to engage with you a little bit more. I mean, we've been around here for a long time with each other, so we're family now. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for the continued love, support, the likes, the comments, just everything that you guys do. Even the small things, the big things. Hopefully we have bigger things coming for us this year. That's always the goal. I just wanted to start it by saying that. Happy New Year, you guys. Keep your head up. Go into this year making big moves. This is the hair we're going to be working with today. It comes from Myfirstwig. Let's get into all the details, honey. Oh, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and just pop this wig on. Straight out the box, this density is super light, y'all. Super light. I believe this is like a 130. Make it look as natural as possible. I can definitely tell that this isn't a 150 just by how lightweight it is. Waves are beautiful. Let's talk about the details. So they're wig 𝐼 𝐼 This is the poppin' curls. So what I'm gonna do in a little bit is just wet them down and see how much I can get them popping. This is an 18-inch and this is Malaysian hair. It has a 1 to 2 year lifespan and it is a natural black. Probably not the natural color, but it's definitely black. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna push this hairline back some, see what's going on here, work it out a little bit. Did not seem slightly bleached, but not completely. I do like that it's pre-plucked already, so it looks natural just laying here on my head. Like, I don't feel like I have to alter the front too much. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use tape just for the sides, because I do notice the sides come down really long, like right here, so it's giving sideburn area. So this is where I'm gonna put the tape at, like an anchor. I feel like it'll work out really well like that. I let it sit. I usually press it some, and then I'm gonna take away the white layer and just press the sides down and just press like that, just so it can stop where it's supposed to on me. Now this will vary from person to person. Same thing with this side. Now the cap fits pretty good. I'm not noticing any problem with the cap as far as the fit. It's actually really comfortable, really comfortable. Since I have that down, this is what the hairline looks like. The hairline looks really good. First I was a little iffy, but we'll talk about it in a second. This looks really good. Lace is blending very well, and you can see for yourself that I didn't have to put any glue here, so I'm still glueless right around this area, and the tape is going to hold the rest. You can tie it down if you need to. Spray the hair down with some water. It is a bit dry, definitely needs some water. I don't know if it's because of the hair color. I'm taking my unbrush and just brushing it out. The same thing with this side. There's no tangles so far. Cantu conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner. I need to use the one that I bought with the pump. You guys know I have the one with the pump. I'm over here still with this one. I'm just gonna pour it out because I don't want to ruin my nails. About this much for both sides of the hair to give it some moisture. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, so that was pretty simple to style. This wig didn't take much effort out the box. So again, this is an 18-inch wig and it is their popping curls. I will have it linked below in the description box. I will also put any discounts I have for you guys down there. This is a 13x6 wig, and yes, it is 130%. The 130% actually feels very like natural hair. It's like a realistic density that when you first get it, you're like, oh, where's the hair? I don't like, where's the hair at? Because that's how I was straight out the box. But looking at it, it falls very flat. It gives that look of it's growing out of my scalp, so I'm not mad at that. This is not the natural hair color, I can definitely tell, but I get what they mean when they say natural black. So it is a black, off black type of color. I haven't washed it or anything, so this is what the curls look like straight out the box. I definitely would recommend conditioner washing the hair instantly just to restore some of the moisture, but for the most part, even with the dryness, I did not get any tangles. No tangles. The hair is very easy to work with. And let me show you the back so you can see what the density look like from the back. With it being curly, of course, curly hair doesn't really need to be super thick anyway, because it's going to give a bit of volume. So that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was very informative. Happy New Year again. I like it. I like it. Overall, I like it. It's really pretty. I'll be sure to put everything down below. Be sure to check there, and I'll see you back in the next video.